Hello everyone, and welcome back to Coin Discovery. What if I told you that a simple 1-cent coin could be worth more than a luxury mansion? Imagine finding a penny in your pocket that's worth over $1 million. In 1943, a tiny mistake at the U.S. Mint created one of the rarest coins in history, and fewer than 20 are believed to exist today. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, that's exactly the story of the legendary 1943 copper penny, one of the rarest and most valuable coins in American history. Today, we're exploring a coin that was never supposed to exist, a tiny mistake that created a $1 million treasure and sparked one of the greatest coin mysteries ever. To understand why this coin is so special, we need to go back to 1943. At that time, the United States was deeply involved in World War II. Copper was a critical material needed for ammunition, military equipment, and communication systems. To support the war effort, the United States Mint decided to stop using copper for pennies. Instead, in 1943, pennies were made from zinc-coated steel. These steel pennies looked silver rather than the traditional copper color Americans were used to seeing. Millions of steel cents were produced that year. But something unexpected happened. A few left over. Copper coin blanks from 1942 were accidentally left inside the coin presses. When production began in 1943, those copper blanks were struck with the new 1943 date. The result? The incredibly rare 1943 copper penny. The mistake was discovered only after the coins had already entered circulation. Since almost all pennies from 1943 were made of steel, the copper versions became instant rarities. Experts believe that fewer than 20 genuine 1943 copper pennies exist today. They were struck at different U.S. Mint facilities, including Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. Because so few survived, collectors have spent decades searching for them. For many coin enthusiasts, finding a genuine 1943 copper penny is the ultimate dream. Let's take a closer look at the coin itself. The 1943 copper penny is made of bronze, containing about 95% copper. It weighs approximately 3.11 grams. The coin has a diameter of 19.05 millimeters and features a plain edge. On the front, you'll find the portrait of Abraham Lincoln, along with the inscriptions, "Liberty, in God we trust," and the date 1943. The reverse features 2 wheat stalks surrounding the words 1 cent, which is why collectors often call it a wheat penny. Now for the question everyone wants answered. How much is it worth? The answer is astonishing. Depending on its condition and mint mark, a genuine 1943 copper penny can sell for hundreds of thousands of dollars. Some examples have sold for over $1 million at major auctions. That's an incredible value for a coin with a face value of just 1 cent. Many people wonder if they can find one. Here's a quick test. A genuine 1943 copper penny is not attracted to a magnet. Most 1943 pennies are steel and will stick to a magnet. Also, a real copper version weighs about 3.11 grams, while the common steel version weighs around 2.7 grams. However, because many fake examples exist, any suspected coin should always be authenticated by a professional grading service. The 1943 copper penny proves that sometimes a simple minting mistake can create history. What began as an accidental error during wartime became one of the most famous and valuable coins ever produced in the United States. And somewhere out there, a forgotten coin collection, an old piggy bank, or a dusty drawer may still hold one of these incredible treasures. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Coin Discovery, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another amazing coin story. Thanks for watching Coin Discovery, and I'll see you in the next video.